Weather Authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
All right, 1 week ago today, heat index at the TV station topped out at 125. Today, the heat index was 75. That means it feels 50 degrees cooler today than last week. Remember that massive heat wave of last week? A big break in the weather pattern today. I want to show you what it looks like in the tropics. We have a couple systems out here, but they're not moving towards the U.S. now. Everything is moving away, and actually a lot of the weather across the country is calming down a little bit. Did you get a chance to see the moon last night? It was a full moon. We call it a blue moon because it's the second full moon this month, and it was a super moon because it is now the closest to the Earth. This is one of the many pictures I got. Crystal Judy sent me this one. Beautiful picture out there. Hope you got a chance to see that. A lot of pictures were sent up on our Facebook page. If you want to go check those out, you can see those. You know what happens tonight? We end summer, or at least meteorological summer. And here you go. Summer 2023. Look at this. Even though it was hot last week, cooler than normal this summer, about a half a degree cooler, and at least at the TV station, it was drier than normal. And the hottest temperature, it was last Friday at 100. That was a record high. So the summer goes down, at least at the station, cooler than normal and drier than normal. Meteorological summer ends at midnight tonight. But boy, what a way to end it with this beautiful weather. 77 the high today, 54 the low. Those numbers below the averages for this time of the year by several degrees, actually. No rain. I talked about the dry pattern for us. We're, again, below normal for the month. As a matter of fact, 10 of the last 12 months, we have been below normal precipitation here at the TV station. River Stage in Terre Haute is stationary right now at about 3.7 feet. Here's what we're looking at. A lot of good weather headed our way, but it is going to start to change a little. Great Friday coming up. Dry weather will continue. It's going to heat up, and it's going to stay hot next week. Not as hot as what we went through last week, but it is definitely going to be hot for this time of the year, especially as you head into early September coming up starting tomorrow. 76 at the airport in Terre Haute right now. Winds are northeast at about 9, but notice 76 feels like 76, whereas last week, well over 100. Here's the Crossroads Cyclecast for 7 o'clock. Sunshine will be in the mid-70s. East wind. Beautiful night to get out and enjoy this nice weather. Everybody pretty much in the 70s. We have 180, 81 down here in Washington. Everybody else in the 70s. Water vapor satellite. Nothing really going on. You see this orange shaded area, that's really dry air. That's what's over us. That's why we have the completely blue skies out there tonight. We'll have clear skies. Nothing really going on west of this area. So we're looking at good weather for a while. Locally, there's hardly a thing to show. Beautiful weather out there. There's nothing on the Dorsey Automotive Doppler radar. So let's take you through the next couple days. No big changes. Clear skies tonight. Beautiful Friday tomorrow, although it will be a little bit warmer. A lot of sunshine out there. As we get into the day Saturday, the humidity level starts to come up a little bit. You'll start to feel that a little bit with a little more moisture, maybe a few clouds here and there, but Saturday should be fine as we start the holiday weekend, and that pattern is going to continue. This will take you through Sunday and into Monday. As we get to about the middle of next week, there's a small chance, about Wednesday, right in there, we might see a shower pop up, but the chances are fairly slim. Temperature-wise, though, here's the cool air it leaves. The heat will build across the northern plains into this area as we take you through the weekend and into next week, and it looks like that pattern is going to stay with us for a little while. As a matter of fact, long-term now, this is September 8 to 14, warmer than normal and near normal precip, so September going to start on the warm side. Forecast tonight looks good. Back in the 50s again with clear skies out there. The nearly full moon tonight. 54 for the low. During the day tomorrow, sunshine, a little bit more humid, but still very nice. Daytime high in the mid-80s at about 84. After that, get ready for some 90s because they're coming back. Weekend looks great, though. Temperatures near 90, not excessively humid, but it will be a bit more humid. We'll stay near 90 into early next week. That's your forecast. Sports is coming up next.